Okay, so today we're going to talk about how we study the past and the origins of humans. First thing we want to do is set up our notes. Our title is going to be Studying the Past, and our essential question is going to be, what do scientists do to study the past? And remember, we have our questions here, our main notes go here, and our summary goes at the bottom. All of this must be done for Wednesday. So, there are two ways we study the past. The first is called anthropology, which is the study of how humans behave, act together, where they came from, and what makes one group different from the other. So that's a very broad definition, and there's a lot of things that go in there, but it's basically the study of humans themselves. Archaeology is the study of the past using things that are left behind. Those are called artifacts. So artifacts are objects made and used by humans. We also study fossils. So fossils are hardened remains, or imprints of living things that existed long ago. We're going to talk about this in science as well. In fossils form, when a living thing dies, it becomes covered by sand or mud. Over time, the sand replaces the once living material, which leaves a rock-like copy of the original living thing. So we get like a rock of a bone or some kind of shell. And so the second thing we need to talk about is, where did humans come from? So it all starts with two archaeologists called Mary and Louis Leakey. And they discovered a piece of a human skull in eastern Africa. And they called this find Homo habilis, which means wise man. This discovery prompted all searches to focus on Africa. So the second thing that was found in Africa was called Lucy. She was found by Donald Johanson. She was about 3.5 feet tall, and in this case they found a skull and a lot of associated parts. So they found a couple pieces of her arms, her hands. It was almost a full skeleton. They said she was about 7 million years old. And so they concluded from this, humankind began in East Africa about 4.5 million years ago, although some argue that humankind developed in different parts of the world, but most people agree that East Africa was where humanity started. And that's it.